back, forward, side, back. So I will recommend for beginners this version. For myself, I like to do a little bit more advanced with the delayed walk. That's possible too. How we can that apply? For example, if we move in samba, it's very, very important that this engine is always working. If this going forward, side, back, it give me a chance to activate my upper body. I landed immediately engine forward, side, back, and even here with the very small forward, side, back circle on the back. One and two. So the movement become very much three-dimensional, not flat. So we have to end this. And when we dance together in couple, if we are doing correct actions, for example, going forward, side, back, that will create, especially in this moment, a lot of connection between us. Because connection is very much depends on our correct action. So if we do a stationary samba walk, it's in samba we have a little bit timey as we're using our engine here, but as this leg going back, it goes on the ball of foot and then it has that forward, side, back circle to finish. And one end, so similar as a backward rumble walk. So you don't want to open right away. There will be a moment where the engine still gonna work forward, side, back. One, and it feels like there is no time for this, but actually there is time. So you don't want to be opening right away. You always want to go through the engine. So if you go through Botafogo, same idea. From here, we have our engine forward, side, back with a little bit timing. One, we have that forward, side, back. Even here, forward, side, back with a certain degree, certain amount. One and two. One and this Cuban motion, it's actually with the foot combined, it can create very fun, very amazing upper body. And this is always active. So this is the personal engine, personal dancing, personal body action, which creates personal rhythm.